Alright, good morning guys. Good morning. How are we doing guys? So alright, welcome to my channel once again. Okay. My name is James. I'm a data analyst and I'm also a forex trader. Okay, so what are we treating today? I've been telling you about um all those arithmetic function in an Excel, right? So what are arithmetic functions? In my last video, like I posted on one video like that, like I use um one arithmetic function for my project, the one I did last time. Alright, so um today, what are the arithmetic functions? Arithmetic function can be defined as a mathematical function within the cell, like within the range of a cell inside your data sets. So they are the arithmetic function, like product, sum, average, round down, round up, all those random functions. Yes. All right. So okay, let's this do some projects with this arithmetic function. Right. So as you can, sorry guys, as you can see on my screen, right, I'm displaying one project, sales data, right. So let's dive into it. Let's do a little. Let's dive into it. All right. So what do you have here? We have date, right? We have first name, product, quantity, unit price, discount, um, total sales, discounts. So they told us to find the round up, round down, and count blank, right? So and then in this place we have sum, product, average, meaning, mass, count A. So they are also arithmetic functions. So what are we doing? Let's calculate. Let's first do this one that right here. So in the question they gave me, right, they told us to calculate the quantity, all the quantity, sum quantity, right? So let's and our quantity column falls under Q and D, right? So D2 to D16, right? So all right, which is equal to sum, right? Sum D2 to your 2 is semicolon, right? So to D16, so that's it. Enter it. So that's 140. You don't need to be you don't need to be calculating. I mean, you don't need to be pressing calculator for you to solve all this. For you to solve all this. Okay, in this second question, they also told me to calculate the unit price, right? So which is equal to sum, using sum, right? So it's equal to sum E2 to E16. So this is it. You don't need to be pressing your calculator. So this is the amount, and the total sales also. We are looking for the total sales also, which is equal to sum, which is G2 to G16. So it's everything. So you see, this is it. Then the product, you also know product, right? Product is minus or subtraction, right? So which is equal to product. Don't need to be pressing your calculator before you can do all these things. It's very product is D2 to D16, D2 to D16. Oh, sorry, D16, right? So you see, that's it. Same here, 1.33. Don't suppose just that's 1.03 is okay. So unit price also, which is equal to product E2 to E16, right? Press it, that's it. Then total sales, which is equal to product G2 to G16, right? That's it. So let's find the average. Average is average number of everything. So which is equal to average is there. Average A average. So D2 first do down, D2 to D16. So that's the average. Same here. Is equal to average E2 to E16, right? So you guys are following me. So that's why I'm doing like this. Then F, what is the total sales? Sorry, total sales is G. So total sales, which is AVR G2 to G16. So I just doing something like this. Why? Oh, maybe it's the data. Is this one? Oh, this one is 105. As you can see, it's 105. See what it's giving me. So that's the reason. Sorry guys. So that's why it's giving me something like that. Sorry. Wow. So let's find for the minimum. Minimum is the lowest, right? So it's equal to mean. It's just normal mean. So follow the step I'm using, guys. So follow the step I'm using, which is D2 to also to D16, right? So that's the 4 is the smallest number. So let's set for the other one also, which is E2 to E16. Then that's 180 is the smallest number. Is for the remaining one, G2 to G16. So this one is the smallest. That's why guys, this small thing is the smallest. That's why. But this 105, this Latin word. That's it. Sorry guys. So maximum, you are finding the maximum, which is mass. Is equal to mass. Is here mass. Then D2 to D16. So 20, that's the maximum something that. So for the unit price, which is E2 to E16, right? So 210 is the highest number in it. So which is G is equal to mass for the G2 to G16. Then that's it. Sorry guys, what's wrong with this thing? Count A. For you to count the unit price, you have to count. Counting for you to be let me count this type of this sugar. Let me be counting this. No, you're not supposed to be doing like that. Just is equal to count. It's equal to count. Just press your D2, the unit price, to this 16. That's it. That's 15. Everything is 15. Everything is just 1, 2, 1, 2. Just count the row. The row come like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's it. Everything is 15. So you can just count 4. It's for you to count 4. E2 to E16. So that's also everything is 15, right? So this one is 14 because of this less thing. So that's it. So let's count A also. Same thing. Let's count A. Also D2 to D16, right? So everything is the same thing. It's the same thing. So you got to count A, E2 to E16. also 15. This one will be 14, right? E. Oh, I say he. Some Jadi. Abi. Count A, right? Which is H. Sorry. G2. G16. It's for 15. So the work of Kante is to anything countable. Is to count no matter the work the count is for is for only numeric something like number. Count is for numeric something. Why count A is for anything, can count anything. Counting means counting anything. That he means anything, but anything that has whether name, date or anything. If there's another thing that I don't feel but maybe date, maybe names, maybe product or anything, it is also counted. That's the work of count A. Alright guys, hope you are clear. Then they say round. Rounding up is you rounding something into a sorry guys. One class. Is you rounding something into a nearest number or into a whole number, right? So let's round this. Let's use this discount as an example. This count has point, right? So let's is equal to round. Just click on it to maybe one. Should we round it to say one digit, or let's round it to 1 digit? This. Then close it. That's it. So they taught you in school. You can just drop it down like this. So that's it. They taught you in school how to round something. If something is greater than maybe 5 or anything, or 5 is greater than, you can just round it, right? So let's do round up also. Round up. See the same thing. I'll just click on it. Round it up to, let's say, 2 digit number. So that's it, guys. Hope you are clear. So let's do this rundown also. Number 2. Let's say 3. So that's it. Alright guys. Or maybe let's use 2. Let's show the video. So that's it. So count blank. So count anything countable. So let's drop this one down. Or count blank. Alright, so it's equal to count blank. Then let's count quantity. That's a 0. You see? Let's count this. Let's use this. Let's use this count. So 0. We count anything to 0. Count blank. Blank means nothing. Like empty, void. That's blank, right? So anything void, nothing, that there is nothing there. Alright guys, so hope you are clear with it. Hope it's not that hard. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it to your friend that is having problem in using Excel to like a person that is working in a organization that they used to use Excel. They be using calculator to do everything, but they send it to them and let them learn how to learn it in a shortcut. So alright guys, so make sure you like, subscribe and share it to your friend. Alright guys, thank you so much. See you next time. Bye guys.